Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in gardening essentials. Today, we're diving into the Martin's Eraser Concentrated Weed and Grass Killer. Touted as one of the best glyphosate solutions on the market. Whether you're battling pesky weeds in your garden or maintaining a pristine lawn, this product promises to deliver. Stick around as we break down its features, benefits, and everything you need to know before making a purchase. The Martin's Eraser is designed for outdoor use, perfect for driveways, flower beds, and even large areas like vegetable gardens and lawns. What sets it apart is its active ingredient, a potent 41% glyphosate formulation. This means it effectively targets both annual and perennial weeds, as well as tough plants like vines, shrubs, and even aquatic nuisances like cattails and duckweed. How does the Martin's Eraser stack up against similar products? Unlike some competitors, it offers a high concentration of glyphosate, ensuring effective and long-lasting weed control without the need for repeated applications. In conclusion, the Martin's Eraser Concentrated Weed and Grass Killer lives up to its promise as a potent glyphosate solution for your gardening needs. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or tackling weeds for the first time, its ease of use and effectiveness make it a worthwhile investment. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, happy gardening!